if you're in the situation where you want to listen to a video while you turning off your screen, and fortunately you can't do that on Android. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do it with a simple app called black screen video screen off. Have in mind that you have to have a device with AMOLED display. So if you have a LCD display, this is not ideal. You just install the app. So after installing the app, you grant the necessary permission it needs. After granting the permission, you're going to click on enable black screen. Doing that, you're going to see a little lock screen icon at the middle of your screen. So what you're going to do now is, when you're listening to a music video on YouTube, just click on the middle lock screen icon. It's going to lock your display and the video will be playing in the background without stopping the video. I'm going to show you a demo.